Hello students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. I explained you the lesson. Name of the lesson is Gold, Gold, Gold. Today I am going to explain you some textual exercises of this lesson. Page number 38. All of you all take out page number 38 so that you can write down in your textbook. Write neatly. Whenever you start writing, read and write. Opposites. First, I'm explaining you opposites. What is the heading here mentioned? Find from the lesson the opposites of the following words. Opposites can also called as antonyms. Antonyms. Got it? First one, dull. Opposite of dull is bright, ugly, lovely, top, bottom, hard, soft, legal, illegal, plenty, sacred, least, most, cheap, expensive, empty, full, heavier, lighter, separated, combined, economical, expensive, economical, expensive. Now, page number 39, textual exercises. Listen carefully. Homophones. First, you should understand the meaning of homophone. What is the meaning of homophone? What are homophones? What are the words comes under homophones? These all things you should be ready to understand. Then only you can perform very nicely at the time of writing part. Homophones. Definition of homophone is what here? Homophones are words that have the same sound at the time of pronunciation. It sounds same but have different meanings or spellings. Got it? For example, week and week are homophones. 1 week stands for illness. Second week stands for 7 days in a week. Got it? Find from the story a homophone for each of the following words. I have written for you in the same way. You to write down neatly and write. Roll, roll, there, see, see, some, waste, waste, not, not. Here, K-N-O-T, N-O-T. See, listen, while pronouncing, I'm pronouncing in the same way. I'm pronouncing in the same way. But here, spelling part is completely different. K-N-O-T, not, N-O-T, not. P-E-S-E, peace, P-I-E-C-E, peace. F-A-R-M, farm, F-O-R-M, farm. Got it? W-O-N-1, O-N-E-1. But at the time of pronunciation is same. Carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, C-A-R-A-T, carrot. C-A-R-A-T, carrot belongs to gold. W-O-U-L-D, wood, W-O-O-D, wood. So these are homophones. While pronouncing, the word will be sound same, but at the time of writing, spellings are differs as well as meanings also differs. Each of the following words have same. Listen carefully. Each of the following words can have two different meanings, but spellings are same in this exercise. That thing comes under homonyms. What are homonyms? Let me explain you. The words which have same spellings and are pronounced the same. The words which have same spellings and are pronounced same but have different meanings. That thing comes under homonyms. Before I explained you about homophones, now it's an homonyms. Light, L-I-G-H, light. The sun gives us light. Second one, travel light if you must. And now, next one is what? B-E-D, bed. It's time for bed. It's time for bed. The next sentence is what here? The bed of the river was dry. Here, same spellings, but sentence meanings differs. use the same sentences to show their different meanings, right? We are using the same word in different sentences, right? The bed of the river was dry. Mine, M-I-N-E, mine. This pen is mine, M-I-N-E, mine. He works in a coal mine. See, one mine belongs to own us. One mine is what? A place. Coal mine. Order. Keep your things in proper order. ORD or order means we should not make the things in 6 and 7 form. Our place should be tidy, right? So what it mentioned here, keeps your things in proper order. Second sentence, I obeyed my teacher's order. Whatever your teachers say you to follow, that thing comes under obeying, right? So my teacher ordered me something and I obeyed her, like that. So with this we finished our textual exercise of this lesson. Read and write. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself as well as your family.